What's good, everybody? We tuned in for another video. Know I'm outside, I'm in the wind, I'm over here, Joe Buddy Racing. Getting in, about to go for a ride in my buddy Tim truck. Y'all seen this thing on the vlogs or whatever. Nice little small block in it. So we finna go pop a couple of blocks in this bad boy and see what it's shaking like. So y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna be off of this. I left my GoPro at the house, so I'm about to ride out. Y'all see that thing crank up on the dime? Hey Tim, we ain't finna do no daredevil stuff.
No, man.
Y'all know I'm all for it anyway. It don't even matter, so let me get buckled up. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Yeah, y'all, so we about to take an old little ride. Small block power. Run good too. Let me see. Let me get it. Ooh, we dark in here. Let me see. Hold on. Let me lighten up for y'all. I should have brought my GoPro, man. It's right here. We on 22s. Hey, it ride smooth too. I say that. That bad boy ride smooth. Hey, it's like a little small block right here now. True street truck driving anywhere. What kind of gas you put in that thing?
110 and 93.
110, you mix. Oh, so he mixing the gas. 110 octane, 93 mixture. So you gotta put some octane in this bad boy. Oh, we're on a nice little straightaway. We're on a nice little straightaway. Hey, the camera. Y'all see the camera tilted. Y'all see that camera, look. The camera started tilted down, boy. And look, wheels are 22 too. Wheels are 22, man. Hey, the truck for sale.
Right price, yeah. Anything for sale.
Right. The truck for sale. Man, clean too, man. Boy, another. Man, all these straightaways. Why don't never come down through here? Look at all these straightaways. Y'all can't see, man. I need to start coming down through here. All these straightaways. Shoot. That bad boy was spinning. That bad boy blowing the towel, man. Hey, y'all didn't see that. Hold on, let me 10 22 up, straight punch. Hey, look, I slow. Hey, y'all, look, no lie, the whole seat just went back. That's why I started laughing, man. I should have had the camera on me then. I should have had the camera on me. The whole seat went back. Hold on, let me lighten it up, man. The whole seat just flew back, man. That thing here right. Oh yeah. Man, hey look. Hey, I like that.
Yeah.
Then we on some 22. I can't forget we on rim, like we ain't even on no 15. Man, I should have had the camera on me when he just hit it, when he did that burnout boy and took off. I'm telling y'all, the whole seat went back. Alright, look. Let me see what we got. God damn. Hey man, where you shoot that thing at? Oh, you ain't got no your tag work.
Yeah, I think about $6 grand.
$6 grand. I know it. I know y'all heard it. That bad boy hollering. Oh yeah, I like that truck. Hold on, Tim. I gotta get one on the outside. Hold on, I gotta get on the outside, y'all, for the thumbnail. I gotta get that truck right. Hold on. y'all go. It just took off then. Oh boy. He just did a little lunch, man. That truck feel good. hey, I like that truck. Y'all know my aunt built that truck for Tim. I have never rode in that truck. That's my first time riding that truck. And he done had it built or put together probably 2-3 months, something like that. First time riding in it. Man, that little thing feel good. Undisclosed cubic inches. Can't tell y'all that. But it's a small block Miley built. Tim finna make some changes. Y'all saw Tim in my other vlog the other day, matter of fact. He finna make some changes. But I want to just show y'all that. I want to give y'all this, man. I want the GoPro. We supposed to have a GoPro, but it was spur of the moment. But yeah, this thing here is nice. That what we was on, the 22s. He's on the 22s. I like it. Say it. If for sale, Tim.
Oh yeah, everything for sale, baby.
For the right price.
For the right price. I ain't even turned the daily block in it yet.
Yeah, I know, he really ain't. He ain't even drove this truck like that, man. He ain't no miles on it like that. Well, look, they saw you in the other vlog, so what you come up with for the plan? Like, what the plan for?
Hey, I don't know, just put me another little can on it and just ride around and all I know.
Right around, so you gonna keep the motor the same?
Yeah, I'm gonna change the cam out. I got another cam to go in it. I'm gonna change all that. I already got it in on the shelf.
Hey, look, everybody in the comments on the other video, they were telling you too, they like, yeah, go ahead and do it. Go ahead and do it. So he got a cam, y'all, so.
I already got it. We just waiting on to put it in.
Right. So the truck gonna be even better than what it is now, cause he about to change that cam out.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some aluminum heads on it also. Take these vortex off.
The heads and everything. Let me show y'all the engine, man. This thing it's nice too. Like it clean up on here.
Yeah, just a little dirty now, but I'm gonna clean it back up.
This it right here. Some of y'all saw it, but some people ain't never saw it. Tim actually painted everything up on the hood too. He did himself. Like he painted the engine bay, cleaned it, brake boost. He did all that. So
yeah, it's a little dirty now, but we'll get it straightened out in a couple of weeks.
oh yeah, most definitely, y'all. So I want to hit y'all with that video right there, man. Give my boy Tim some love. We have been talking about it for a couple of weeks, but popped up over here. It's good Sunday, so like might as well go ahead and do it. And yeah, that's it, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all stay tuned. We're gonna be more to come on the truck. And I catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.